The Deribit Block RFQ interface allows traders to request private block trade quotes directly from market makers, all from within the Deribit platform. To begin the process, click Create RFQ. This will bring up the strategy creation form. Here you can select from the list of predefined strategies, or even create a custom structure. Let's say you want to request a quote for an Iron Condor. First, click Iron Condor, which will populate the form with the 4 legs, with the side, option type, and ratio already selected. Next, select the expiry, and then the strike prices. A hedge leg on the futures can be added to a structure if desired. The quantity is entered at the bottom, and on the right is a list of all available market makers. You can request quotes from all of them at once, or only a selection. There is a toggle to choose whether to disclose your identity to the makers or not. If you do disclose your identity, you will also see the identities of the makers with the quotes received. Once you're happy with your selections, click Submit RFQ. Confirm the details one last time on the confirmation screen, and then submit the RFQ. The RFQ will then appear in your list of RFQs. The best price quote will be shown for the bid and ask. If you chose to disclose your identity when submitting the RFQ, the identity of the maker will also be shown. To buy the structure, you will buy into the ask. To sell the structure instead, which will trade the legs in the opposite direction, you will sell into the bid. To avoid confusion, the direction of the legs that you're actually trading is indicated under the buy or sell button. In this case, you want to buy the strategy, so you click the ask. Then click the buy button. All legs are then executed together at the agreed price. Once executed, the positions can be seen in the same place as any other positions. On this screen, the positions table has been added to the bottom of the Block RFQ page as well.